mud bogging with Gravedigger. Oh, nice. That's a deep amount of water. Oh, backflip, submerged. Did the rollover. Nice. Got them all lined up. Ooh, who's up next?
Toro
Loco. Yeah, nice. Who do we have next going through the mud bog?
Hey.
Oh, it looks deep. Is he going to make it through? Oh, he just does. Powers out of it easy. Who do we have next?
Not me.
Whoa, he made it through easy. Look at that face, gasping for air. Who's the last one we have in the lineup?
I don't know.
It's got the red and white shield on the back.
Oh no.
It's got the big star.
Captain America.
Yeah.
You're never gonna make it.
Is he gonna get through it? His body's looking pretty clean. Looks like he's still dry inside the cabin.
It almost tips.
That's it, 2 wheels. Ooh, is he gonna power up? Ah, flipped over. Better flip him over before that driver drowns. Nice, can he power out the other side? Ooh, more water.
I'm washing him.
Give him a wash. Top that mud pit up. Good job. Should give him all a wash, mate. That's it. Give them all a
They're
wash.
already clean.
Are they all clean?
Yes.
They look pretty shiny. That's the lineup. Gravedigger, El Toro, Hot Wheels, the Zombie, and Captain America.
Now do lines up.
Good job. Good job. That's it, shake him off.
Shiny.
Yeah, it looks good. It's got the red wheels. The rest of them have got chromies except Hot Wheels. He's got the yellow, big yellow rims.
What? He's going to do it again. He's going in again.
Oh, is he going again? Round 2? Nice one. Whoa. Ah, roll over. Might have to get another one. Tow him out. That's the way.
He's pushing him.
Yeah. Good job. Got him out of that muddy bog pit.
What's him? So he gone in the muddy.
Good job. You gonna put it through the pit again or go do some rock crawling? Good job. You jump off? Yeah. Nice one. He's still dirty, needs another wash?
Yeah.
Good job. Should give those dump trucks a wash as well. They look pretty muddy.
They're fine.
Look at this guy down here. Good job, mate.